ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear as a light of guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Welcome to this series of lectures for English speakers who want to learn Arabic, especially those who want to understand the message of Allah in the Quran. Dear learners, language structure. Every language is built from sounds, and these sounds are called phonemes. The Arabic alphabet. In Arabic, there are 28 letters that represent these sounds. Course approach. In this course, we will learn them step by step, one at a time, in a simple and easy way. Now let's start our journey. Here in this lesson, we will discuss Arabic alphabets and the sounds these alphabets represent. Dear learners, we have divided Arabic alphabets in various categories to make them understandable. First, we begin our journey with bilabial plosives consonants. Bilabial plosives are specific sounds produced by using both the upper and lower lips. While making these sounds, there is a light explosion of air.
These consonant sounds are ba, ma.
Dear learners, now we are going to apply vowels pattern on these sounds, which is called harakat, meaning movements.
Ba, be, boo. Ba, be, boo.
Dear learners, let's compare these short vowels in Arabic with English vowel sounds.
Ba, a. Be, e. Boo, o. A vowel sound is called fatha in Arabic. A vowel sound is called kasra. O vowel sound is called dhamma in Arabic. Similarly, ma sound is also has the same pattern. Ma, me, mo. That is to say, a, o. Ma, me, mo.
Dear learners, now we will learn how to use long vowels in Arabic. These long vowels are called haruf-e illat, which means weak letters. To make a long vowel sound, we add a weak letter to a consonant. In English, this is like doubling a vowel sound to make it long and give stress. In Arabic, we add special letters to the base consonant to stretch the sound and make it long. Dear learners, many of you will question me, why do we learn vowels and consonants together? Answer is, we learn vowels and consonants together because it helps us read and pronounce Arabic words more easily. When we combine them, we can understand how real Arabic words are formed. This makes learning Arabic more practical, simple, and clear. Now come to topic again, which is about long vowels in Arabic.
Ba, a, b, e, boo, oo. Ma, a. The English vowel is double here. Me, e is double here. Mu, oo, o is doubled here.
Examples of the bilabial plosives. A door is called bab in Arabic, while wax is called moom in Arabic.